Yeah, so hello everyone, this is Akatech Yugi as usual. So into this video, I'm going to show you how you can get to download the MovieBox application onto your phone. As you know, movies carry a lot of stories. Those are those which are horrific and those which have those love story movies. So whichever genre you go for, onto this video I'm going to show you how to download the MovieBox application. As you know, of course, the only authorized application to download applications onto Android phones is Google Play Store. So get to sign in with your Google account. Once you're ready, signed in, get to search for the MovieBox application. MovieBox application. So the MovieBox application is your MovieBox. The application is called MovieBox, translated movies. Yeah, so that's the application that we're looking for. So the MovieBox application is over here. So once you're done doing that, like, get to see the details. Is it the right one? Create an album, passcode. So once you're done, tap on install. I'm gonna see what this application is all about. So with you guys, because I've never got to download this application, but let's see what the MovieBox application is all about. So just get to follow along as we get to know. So this is what they call the MovieBox. Of course, yeah, it's for the movies, but I don't know how its interface operates. It's installing. It's installing. Let's wait for it, guys. Just get to sit down as let's open and see what the MovieBox application is all about. MovieBox, allow. What next? Tap on the arrow, tap on the arrow, tap on the arrow, done. And here we are. This is what they call the MovieBox application for those who have been looking for it.